Hello everyone, this is Firas. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add vehicles to your dealership in DealerHawk. In the previous video, we had introduced DealerHawk and we have created and set up a demo dealership account. So let's start. We will go and log in to our DealerHawk. First, go to dealerhawk.com on your website, which will land you to this landing page. Click on Dealer Sign In and you put in your email address and password that you have previously signed in with. Okay, so once we logged in, it took us to the features page. In DealerHawk, you can add vehicles in two ways: either a single vehicle at a time, or you can add multiple in a batch to help you save time. So first we're going to start by clicking on adding a single vehicle, which will take us to the vehicle information form. DealerHawk comes with a built-in decoder. Here you can simply put in your VIN number, click on decode, and it will fill most of the vehicle information in for you instead of having to put that in manually, which obviously will save you time and increase accuracy. So for a quick test, we're going to put in a real random VIN number in here. We're going to hit decode. If everything looks good, it will decode and come back filling out most of the information as I mentioned. Here in the style section, it's a drop down because some of the VIN codes could decode into multiple styles depending on the vehicle. So for this one there's only one, and sometimes it could be multiple. You are able to modify most of this information in case you need to. But also there are some information related to your business that needs to be filled out manually. If you have a third-party system or a inventory stock number that you would like to input into this vehicle, you can simply type it in here. Mileage, let's say this car has a 140,000 miles on it. You can flag it as a mileage accurate or not. Pricing, you can put in here how much you want to sell. This price will be visible on your website. Engine specs, those are pre-filled based on the decoder. You can modify them if needed. The color, you can select the color that the vehicle comes in, exterior, interior, and the interior material. The decoder basically, in addition to just the information provided here, it also presents you with all the installed or possibly to be installed options for this vehicle. So, and they are all categorized and grouped by the type. So in air conditioning, you have those 6 features, and the decoder detects that it usually comes in those 5 pre-installed. Some may have a humidity dew point sensor, some not, so you can either select it or keep it unchecked. Same with the other systems, and you can uncheck any option that is not included in this vehicle. At the bottom here, you can type in your description. It is not required, but it's very recommended. So you can just type in anything in here. Okay, finally down here, you can upload photos for this vehicle. You can simply click on upload images, browse, and you can select multiple photos at the same time. So click on open, the system will go and upload them, and once the upload is complete, they will be presented in for you here. You can move them around, so you can set the order of the vehicles that you would like them to be presented to your customers. The first one obviously is going to be the featured first image. They're going to show up. If everything looks good, you can click on submit. If you want to delete something, you can click on the X button and it will automatically remove it. Once all is done, we click on submit, and now the vehicle is in your inventory. Here you can manage your inventory. You can modify your vehicles, delete them, add another one, look them up, all from this page. As I told you in the beginning of this video, that we also can add vehicles using a batch method. So let's go do that. I click on add multiple vehicles using VINs. So instead of going and inputting your vehicles one at a time, you can do it in a batch up to 10 at a time from here simply by providing the VIN numbers. So for the sake of this video, we have inputted 7 VIN numbers in here. They're all real, random but real. So all you have to do is click on decode VIN. In a few seconds the system will come back with the decoding results. There we go. You can see here that all of the VINs were successfully decoded into the vehicles. You can change the style if it comes with any more than one. You can input your price in here. You can put in your mileage and flag them as accurate or not. You can change the condition of those vehicles. You can change and specify the color as well. Once you're satisfied with everything in here, you can click on Insert Vehicles. In a couple seconds, the system will insert them for you in your inventory. You can click on Close and you can see that all those vehicles got added to your inventory. You can search for them, as the label here says. You can search by year, make, model, stock ID, VIN, or body type. So if I'm looking for Fords, I just have to type in Ford, and it presents me with all my Ford that are in my inventory. So this is it for this video. You were able to see how you can add a new vehicle, single vehicle at a time, multiples, using the VIN decoders. You're able to see how you can filter and search your inventory from here. Thank you for watching, and please check out the rest of our videos to show you how you can use other features that DealerHawk provides.